Hello, welcome to Crafts for a Purpose. This is my very first video and I'm very excited to show you what I'm going to do. My first craft ever is going to be these super cute little notes, and they're really cute. You can just make a note, put something on the back, and you can make them in any color at all. Colors you don't like, colors you do like, anything. So you just have to start with this empty card. It can be anything. It could be a card, it could be construction paper, it can be anything. But I like to use these. They're just little letters in a book, and there's all different kinds of patterns. I've used most of them, but so I'm just going to start, and I'm going to make another beach theme one without my name on it. And I just started by putting a leaf and a pineapple on. You're also, like I said, you're also going to need these little sticky, there's little letters, and there's little decorations too. And you just have to, this might take a while, but you just have to go through them and find the letters that you want and the colors that you want. And yeah. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a tip. If you need like an apostrophe or a period or a comma, then what you can do is you can just take any letter. I'm just going to take the letter I. You can take a pair of scissors and just cut it in half. Yes, or cut it wherever. Like this, and you can just stick it on wherever you need it, like that. That is going to be let's. So I'm back, and I have finally finished my card. Wait, yes, I have. So the front just says beach, and I did add orange in there since I needed orange. And I put yay and let's surf down at the bottom, and you can